Hi guys, what we're going to be working on is writing an equation given 2 points. The equation that we want to make is based on y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form, m being the slope, b being the intercept. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use our formula for finding slope given 2 points, which is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. That's your rise over your run. Remember, the y-axis is your vertical axis, and it's your up and down axis. Your x-axis is your run. It's how far across things go. When you're given the 2 points, in this case, we're given points 3, -2, and -4, 3. The best way to start this is to label the points. So you have x1 over the 3, y1 over the -2, x2 over the -4, and y2 over the 3. That allows us to set up our equation. So our slope is equal to, so y1 minus y2 is -2 minus 3, and then x1 minus x2 is 3 minus -4. We need to keep in mind that when we're subtracting a negative, it's the same as adding. So -2 minus 3 gives us our -5, and 3 minus -4, or 3 plus 4, gives us our 7. When we put those, we then take that slope and we put it into our formula, we get y equals -5/7 x plus b. Now the x and the y represent every single point that's on that line. So we're just going to pick one point that we know of. We actually know 2 points. We know 3, -2, and we know -4, 3. Both of those points are going to be on our line, and we just need to work with one of them. The one we're going to choose is 3, -2, just because it's the first one there. You can definitely use -4, 3 and get the same answer. This is the one that we're going to do as an example, though. So I'm going to take the -2 for my y is equal to -5/7, our slope that we just figured out, times 3, our x value, plus our unknown y-intercept of b. We multiply the -5/7 by the 3, and we're going to come out with -2 is equal to -5/7 times 3. Remember, we can put that over the 1 to keep our tops and bottoms, plus b. Then gives me -2 is equal to -15 over 7 plus b. All we did there is multiply the -5 over 7 times the 3 over 1. To solve for b, I need to get rid of -15 over 7. We're going to do that by adding 15 over 7 to both sides, which is fine on the right side, where they just cancel each other out and leave me with b. On the left, I got to do a little bit more math. I got to remember the fact that -2 can be changed into other numbers. And in this case, the number that we want has to have a 7 as the denominator, which means it's going to have 14 as a numerator. Multiply both top and bottom. So we're going to have -14/7 plus 15/7, because we're adding that from both sides. And we're left with b is equal to 1/7. Now we put that right back into our formula, and we just have the slope and the y-intercept in there. And our final answer is y equals -5/7 x plus 1/7. That equation will contain both of our 2 points, 3, -2, and -4, 3. Good luck on the worksheet, and I hope you guys are having a great week.